Region 1, or the Ilocos region nicknames and titles. Ilocos Norte, the renewable energy capital of Southeast Asia.
Ilocos Sur, the heritage haven of the north, and the heart of Ilocanja.
La Union, the surfing capital of the northern Philippines and the Garden Coast.
And Pangasinan, the salt capital of the Philippines, and the land of miracles and romance.
The regional center of Ilocos region is the city of San Fernando, the botanical garden city.
The largest city of Ilocos region is the city of San Carlos, the mango bamboo capital of the Philippines.
Region 2, or the Cagayan Valley region nicknames. Batanes, the home of the Batans and the nature's playground.
Cagayan, the land of smile and beauty.
Isabela, the Queen Province of the North and the top corn producer of the Philippines.
Quirino, the forest heartland of Cagayan Valley.
And Nueva, Vizcaya, the citrus capital of the Philippines and the watershed haven of Cagayan Valley.
The regional center and the largest city of Cagayan Valley is the city of Tuguegarao, the premier Ibanag city.
Region 3, or the Central Luzon province's nicknames.
Aurora, the land of the golden sunrise and the gateway to the Pacific.
Bataan, the cradle of valor, gallantry, and heroism.
Bulacan, the land of the nation's noble heroes and the gateway to northern Philippines.
Nueva, Ecija, the rice granary of the Philippines and the heart of inland Luzon.
Pampanga, the culinary capital of the Philippines.
Tarlac, the melting pot and the sugarlandia of central Luzon.
And Zambales, the Chromite capital of the Philippines.
The regional center of central Luzon, the city of San Fernando, the Christmas capital of the Philippines.
The largest city of central Luzon, the city of San Jose del Monte, the balcony of the metropolitan.
Calabarzon province's nicknames and titles. Cavite, the historical capital of the Philippines and the land of the brave. Laguna, the resort capital of the Philippines and the automotive capital of the Philippines. Batangas, the land of rolling hills and wide shorelands, and the butterfly knives capital of the Philippines. Rizal, the cradle of Philippine art, and the province of Quezon, the land of thousand colors, the food basket of Calabarzon, and the Cocolandia. The regional center of Calabarzon, the city of Calamba, the premier city of growth, leisure, and national pride. The largest city of Calabarzon is the pilgrimage city of Antipolo. Mimaropa, or southwestern Tagalog province's nicknames. Occidental Mindoro, the marine wonderland of Luzon. Oriental Mindoro, the rice granary and fruit basket of southern Tagalog. And the banana and calamansi king of Mimaropa. Marinduque, the heart of the Philippines, the Lenten capital of the south, and the butterfly capital of the Philippines. Romblon, the marble capital of the Philippines. Palawan, the Philippines' best island, and the Philippines' last frontier. The region's largest city is the highly urbanized city of Puerto Princesa, the ecotourism center of the Philippines. The regional center of Region 4B is the city of Calapan, the gateway to the Golden Isle. Region 5, were the Bicol region province's nicknames. Albay, the land of the Mayon volcano.
Camarines Norte, the gateway to Bicolandia.
Camarines Sur, the sports and adventure capital of the Philippines and the heart of Bicol.
Catanduanes, the land of the howling winds, the Abaca capital of the Philippines and the Happy Island.
Masbate, the rodeo capital of Southeast Asia and the melting pot of diverse cultures and traditions in central Philippines.
Sorsogon, the land of the gentle giants and the gateway to southern Philippines.
The regional center and the largest city of the Bicol region is the city of Legazpi, the city of fun and adventure. Region 6, or the Western Visayas region province's nicknames. Aklan, the oldest province in the Philippines and the home of the Boracay Island.
Antique, the land where the mountains meet the sea.
Capiz, the seafood capital of the Philippines and home of the largest Catholic church bell in Asia.
Guimaras, the mango capital of the Philippines.
Iloilo, the heart of the Philippines and the province of festivals.
Negros Occidental, the sugar bowl of the Philippines and the land of sweet surprises.
The largest city of Western Visayas is Bacolod City, the city of smiles.
The regional center of Western Visayas is Iloilo City, the city of love.
Region 7, or the Central Visayas region province's nicknames. Bohol, the jewel of the Philippines.
Cebu, the gateway to 1,000 journeys and the cradle of Christianity in Asia.
Negros Oriental, the food basket of Central Visayas.
And Siquijor, the Mystic Island and the Healing Island.
The regional center and the largest city of Central Visayas is the city of Cebu, the Queen City of the South.
We also have 3 independent cities in the region, the highly urbanized cities of Cebu, Mandaue, and Lapu-Lapu.
Region 8, or the Eastern Visayas region province's nicknames: Biliran, the undiscovered paradise;
Northern Samar, the gateway to Eastern Visayas.
Samar, the cave-in capital province of the Philippines;
Eastern Samar, the lobster capital of the Eastern Visayas, and the gateway to Philippine discovery.
Leyte, the historic site of the largest naval battle of World War II.
Southern Leyte, the Philippines' birthplace of Christianity.
The regional center and largest city of Eastern Visayas, the highly urbanized city of Tacloban, the Queen City of the Orient Seas. Region 9, or the Zamboanga Peninsula region province's nicknames: Zamboanga del Norte or Zanorte, the Twin City province;
Zamboanga del Sur or Zambosur, the colors of ethnic Zamboanga.
Zamboanga Sibugay, the emerging pearl of the Southern Seas, and the rubber capital of the Philippines.
The regional center of Zamboanga Peninsula, the city of Pagadian, to the Little Hong Kong of the South.
The largest city of Zamboanga Peninsula, the highly urbanized city of Zamboanga, the Asia's Latin city.
And did you know that Isabela City, though within Basilan Province, it is under the jurisdiction of Region 9.
Region 10, or the Northern Mindanao region province's nicknames: Bukidnon, the food basket of north-central Mindanao, and the pineapple capital of the Philippines;
Camiguin, the island of fire, and the paradise island of Mindanao.
Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty;
Misamis Occidental, the green province.
and Misamis Oriental, Mindanao's nature front.
The regional center and the largest city of northern Mindanao, the highly urbanized city of Cagayan de Oro, the city of golden friendship.
Region 11, or the Davao region province's nicknames: Davao del Norte, the banana capital of the Philippines;
Davao del Sur, the beautiful paradise.
Davao de Oro, the golden capital of the Philippines;
Davao Oriental, the sunrise and coconut capital of the Philippines.
and Davao Occidental, the youngest province in the Davao region.
The regional center and the largest city of Davao region, the highly urbanized city of Davao, the king city of the south.
Region 12, or the Soc-Sargent province's nicknames: South Cotabato, the land of the Dreamweavers;
Cotabato, the fruit basket of Mindanao.
Sultan-Kudarat, the home of the grandest provincial capital in the Philippines;
Sarangani, the southernmost province in the mainland of Mindanao, and the home of the famous boxing champ Manny Pacquiao.
the largest city of Soc-Sargent, the highly urbanized city of General Santos, the tuna capital of the Philippines.
The regional center of Soc-Sargent, the city of Cradle, the crown city of the south.
Region 13, or the Caraga region province's nicknames: Agusan del Norte, the haven of antiquated finds;
Agusan del Sur, the land of golden opportunities.
Dinagat Islands, the mystical island province of love;
Surigao del Norte, the surfing capital of the Philippines.
Surigao del Sur, the rice granary and food basket of Caraga region, and the Shangri-La by the Pacific.
The regional center and the largest city of Caraga region, the highly urbanized city of Butuan, the timber city of the south.
Cordillera Administrative Region province's nicknames and titles: Abra, the natural dye capital of the Philippines;
Apayao, Cordillera's last nature frontier.
Benguet, the vegetable capital of the Philippines;
Ifugao, the land of the eighth world wonder.
Kalinga, the whitewater rafting capital of the north and the rice granary of the Cordilleras.
And Mountain Province, the weaver's paradise.
The regional center and the largest city of Cordillera Administrative Region, the highly urbanized city of Baguio, the summer capital of the Philippines. NCR, or the National Capital Region nicknames:
The city of Caloocan, the cradle of the Katipunan.
the city of Las Piñas, the home of the bamboo organ;
The city of Makati, the financial capital of the Philippines.
the city of Malabon, home of the famous dish pancit Malabon;
The city of Mandaluyong, the tiger city of the Philippines.
the city of Manila, the pearl of the Orient and the queen city of the Pacific;
The city of Marikina, the shoe capital of the Philippines.
the city of Muntinlupa, the emerald city of the Philippines.
The city of Navares, the commercial fishing hub of the Philippines.
The city of Parañaque, the mega city by the bay.
The city of Pasay, the travel city, and the cultural center of Metro Manila.
The city of Pasig, the urban rainforest.
Pateros, the balut capital of the Philippines.
The city of Quezon, the city of stars, and the city of new horizons.
The city of San Juan, the Tianga capital of the Philippines.
The city of Taguig, Metro Manila's Provinciudad, and home of the Bonifacio Global City.
The city of Valenzuela, the northern gateway to Metropolitan, and the city of Discipline.
Follow and subscribe to the Stroll Guys for more videos like this.